V1, C2, V2. So no, so there's multiple numbers in there, but we don't need all four, right? We only are using 3 of those numbers. So what I'm saying is picking out, being sure that you understand this question and you know which one, what is it asking you? Which one is C1, V1, C2, V2? Which one are you trying to find for? And you don't need all those numbers. So that's why I'm saying is you might remember doing this and you might know the answer of the numbers that we picked, but understand why we picked those numbers. Because then when you get a whole new question like this on the exam, then you have to know which numbers to pick out. So does everyone remember?
Yes.
No.
Anyone?
Well, the 100 milliliters doesn't matter.
Yeah, but why? So you've been asked to prepare, so remember this is dilution.
Because
You're
that's
trying
just
to
what makes
dilute.
it mole, that's what just what makes, the molarity is 12 moles in 100 milliliters of that. I mean, you're not, what you're trying to find is the,
So walk it through. So you're asking, you're doing dilution, right?
yeah.
So we want 500 milliliters of a 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid solution. But in the lab, we have 12 molar of 100 milliliter solution. So we want 0.1 molar, 500 milliliter. How do we make that? So what are we trying to find? So we have C1, V1, C2, V2. Which one are we trying to find? What did you say? D2?
Because the moles are the C's, right?
So what is C?
The concentrations.
Concentration. So know what it is that you're saying, and V is what?
We know the concentrations.
Volume.
The volume is the issue.
So we have 500.
No, we need 500.
We need 500.
Oh.
What do we have?
We have 100 milliliters of a stock with the concentration
Well, we
of
said
12
it was
moles.
500 because we need the
Right.
500.
And from that, we need 500 milliliters with a concentration of 0.1.
Right.
So-
So we don't have C1 or C2, right?
Yeah. We have everything, so.
We don't have
No,
V1.
we don't have.
We don't
That's
volume.
right. We don't know the volume because we're handed 100 milliliters, but that does not mean we're going to use
Right.
them. So, C1, C2.
So C1 is the concentration of what we have, so 12 molar, right? We don't know the volume, because what we're trying to get is we want 1 molar, about 0.1 molar of a 500 milliliter solution. That is what we want. So that's C2 concentration of what we want, volume of what we want. We want 0.1 molar of a 500 milliliter solution. What we have, C1, V1, C1 is the concentration, it's 12 molar, but we don't know what volume we need. We don't know what volume of 12 molar of the stock we need to dilute to get 0.1 molar of 500 milliliters, 5 to 500 milliliters. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So this is, a lot of people are looking at this, that's what I'm saying, is the 100 milliliter, that doesn't mean anything to us. It's not a concentration that we don't care about.
It's what's presented